So I just dropped it. So that was the first paint splash. This is how you make a custom Versace print t-shirt by VS&T. Even better than it is, I'll get that off the floor later. Splash painting. Custom. Whoa. Right on. She's one of my favorite supermodels. Right on her face. Wow. Wow, Naomi. I need more paint. More paint for the, I painted the front and then I folded it over. Okay, so I'm gonna unfold it slowly. And I'm just gonna, yeah. So there's a little background to this actual print itself. It's my original newspaper cutting from one of Gianni Versace's very last runway shows. I kept the cutting, I still have it. I took a photograph of it and printed it on my t-shirts. Then splash painted it. Then splash painted it in this lovely blood red.